Okay, namaste everyone. I'm Yogi Sachin from Yoga Vimoksha. So today we'll talk about a new topic. It's the common disease nowadays in the modern time that is called the arthritis. So in this disease, we feel a lots of pain in our joints because of the inflammation is less. So with the yoga we can improve the inflammation and decrease this disease, the this arthritis. So I'll show you the some simple movements, then you can those you can do every day and get a benefits through this yoga posture, or these are simple movements. So now we'll begin. I'll just show us some simple exercise for the arthritis. Okay, so in the arthritis you just main focus on your joints. So from you can just see your all the joints, from the just like your ankle joints, your knee joint, your hip joint, your shoulder joint, your neck movement. You just work on that joints through this Sukshma Vyayam, you can call Sukshma Vyayam, or the simple joint movement you can say. And you can do a few breathing pranayam exercise, or for the more benefits you can do a Jalaneti or a Sutra Neti. Then I will explain in the next video. So today I'll just show some joint movement. Okay, so we'll begin. So you first stand properly with both legs. Sometimes if you feel lots of pain or on your joints, so you can use a chair. It's not a necessary you just do a only standing time. You can sit on the chair, you can sit on the floor, you can just sit on your bed or your couch, and then you can do this. Okay, so now I'll start. So first we will just stand properly, and just you check the body is a straight line. You can take the hands the side of the hip, or you can just relax according to your comfort. The main important thing, you just find your comfort. Is not necessary you are just take a pressure and then do your exercise. No, you just find first your comfort according to your body, according to your limit, and then you perform that yoga or perform that asana. So you first now I'll just you start from the our toes and our ankle. So inhale time you just raising the leg. So according to your body you can raise the leg in this much high, or you can this little high, is up to you. So gently just inhale time you just pointed your toes, and then you just extend, or you just stretch to your ankle joint, and exhale time you just flex your feet. Just do the 5 or 10 repetition, or you can take a more like a 15 to 20 repetition, is up to you or according to the time. So you just inhale time you just pointing the toes, and exhale time flex 5 or 6 time, or 10 to 15 times you can do it. And after that you can just start the rotation your ankle just like a clockwise, 5 or 10 repeat. And then after that you can just do anti-clockwise, and then you just release. So this is the one simple exercise. So you can do this according the time, 10 to 15 round or 15 to 20 rounds from the both side. After that you can just release, and then you can just bending the knee. So you can just take the hands on your kneecap. So you not push the pressure on the knee, just you gently support with the hand, and then you start the rotation on your knee joint just like a clockwise. Not put the pressure, and gentle movement with the inhalation or the exhalation. Same this 15 to 20 time, and then from here you can just do the anti-clockwise, and then you just release, just relax naturally or gently, you just come back. Then again the same, the next on your hip. So you can just take the hands on your hip and start the rotation to your from your hip. So now you just slightly push the hip forward, and then the left side, then the back side, and then the right side, and in this way you can just rotate. Just join, enjoy. So you not do any fast or in any rush. Just take your own time, your own comfort, and then you 5 to 10 times you can just repeat this. Again, you can just do anti-clockwise. First you just left, then forward, then right and back. In this way you can just rotate, and then after just relax and come down. Now you just open the hands. So now you just work on the shoulders. So this time you can just turn the palms facing towards the sky and touch your tip of the fingertip on your shoulder. So you can just touch, you can just hold, and then inhale time you can just take the hands in front, and exhale time just back. Just gentle rotation. Same, you can just repeat this 10 to 20 times clockwise and then anti-clockwise. You can just add a new exercise here. You can just close, inhale, and again expand the chest and just push, close and exhale. So you can repeat this 10 to 15 times or 15 to 20 times. But you can just release, and then you can just start again with your neck. So inhale, you can just head up, and with the exhalation just gentle down. Inhale up, and then exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And then again same when you're doing the exhale. So now you can just do the half semicircle. So you can just do right side, spin, left, half, right, center, left. Again come center, inhale up, and this time from the back you can just drop half, and then half, then center, then half, and then half. Sometimes you can feel the people. Sometimes the people is doing this completely rotation like this 360 degree. So according, if you have not that much pain on the neck, then you can allow to your body to completely the circle, or otherwise you have an option. You can just break that circle in a half. First half back, and then come this, and then right or left, and after that you can just relax. Breathing natural or the normal breath. Now in this way you can just lose your all the joints. Again same, you can just use with the same thing with your hands. You can just open the fingers. Exhale time you can just make the fist. Inhale, you can just walk, exhale, and then you again rotate your wrist just clockwise, anti-clockwise 5 to 10, and then again you turn the palms with the elbow, exhale, touch, inhale, straight the fingers, and then exhale, and then release. So in this simple joint movement you can do according to your body or according to time. First you start with a 10 or 15 rounds, then slowly you can increase. After that, when you are completely all the joints movement, then you can just sit in a comfortable position. Either you can just sit in a straight leg, you can sit a cross leg, you can sit on the chair, it's up to you, and then you find your comfort in your body. Now inhale time you just lifting the right leg up. The preparation of the Gomukhasana you can use or you can do. So you take the right leg outside of the left, and here you can just take the heel more closer, and it's going slightly away from the buttocks. You not completely touch, but if you have not that flexibility, it's okay, you can just stay here. Now you inhale, raising the left hand up, and then you hold it your knee, and then you just take the right, and then you just stay for couple of breath, couple of seconds you can, but make sure you not hold the breath, taking the deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Inhale time, inhale, then you just turn the neck, exhale, or release. So this is the one way you can do when you don't have that much flexibility. You can do the halfway. And the second variation, you can this time you push your knee closer, and you can hold at your knee and check your buttocks on the ground as you stay knee to the knee in a one line, pointing your toes, so you can just stretch also your ankle. Stay. You can stay here and then slowly inhale. This time you're taking the right hand up, and then you bend the elbow back, and you take the left hand slightly forward, roll the shoulders back, and then you can hold the hands from behind. If it is not possible to catch your finger, or you're not able to hold, you can use a one strap, or you can use a one towel or belt you can use, and then you hold it from the both sides, and then you pull it the elbow, the upper elbow upside and the lower elbow downside, and then you can stay here, or then exhale and just bend. Slowly inhale, come center, and exhale. Same, first you release the hand, and then you can just release the hand, and then relax your hands down into the Gomukhasana. Then same, you can just change the leg position. So this time you can take the left leg down, right leg up, switch, and again just you one time twist. So when you do the twisting, you make sure you're not leaning the backward. Check your hip should be a stable or rest on the ground. For that, if you feel the buttock is lifting up, you can use a folded blanket under your buttocks, and then you can just and then first twist. Every inhale you feel it, you are taking the inhale, lifting the sternum, and then exhale you twist. Inhale and then twist. Just stay here for 30 seconds, 10 seconds is up to you, and then you increase the time. Slowly inhale, just come, release, and then again here raising raising the right hand, and then left raise your left, right, back, and then you bound the hands, grab, then you stay here. You not feel it, you not drop the shoulders facing down. As much as possible, you can just pull the shoulders or your elbow towards the sky, and you can just close your eyes, enjoy your breath, and breathe in. And if you want to go a little deeper, then you can exhale, go down, or otherwise you can stay here couple of seconds, couple of breath, then you release the hands, and then release the here. Now you just release the leg completely, and then you can just shake the both leg, give the relax to the again. You can start ankle, couple of more time, roll, and then you just relax, come to the cross leg for the breathing or for the pranayama. So in the pranayama we will do the Kapala Bhati. So you can, in the Kapala Bhati, you just do the inhalation or the exhalation. Okay, so here you can take the one inhalation, and then most of the time you do actively the exhalation. Inhale you take, but the passively or actively you do the exhalation and exhalation. You're not just like in a one time. It's up to you. You can do a one inhalation, then exhalation time stroke, like a 10 stroke, 15 stroke, 20 stroke, is depend on your practice. But in the beginning, I recommend to not go up more faster. Just go in your own time or in your own pace. Then you just will begin. So you now you stay here, just check the spine is straight, the body is settled, and first a few breaths you just prepare. Other one, take the inhalation from the both nostril, and then you then do the continue exhale, and then exhale. After one round, when you complete a one round, you can take a rest for a few couple of breath, and to just absorb your breath, how the breath is a response, how the breath is a responder. After that, you can do the after every stroke or every round, or you can do a 5 or 6 round together, and after that you can just be relaxed, and then you watch your breath, and just give the freedom to your breath to allow to flow in your whole body freely. So it's a kapalabhati. You can do according to your time, or according to your limit, or according to your practice. It's not necessary you do a 10 round or 15 round or 20 round. You can start from the 5, and then slowly after your practice you can just increase the timing, increase the stroke, and then just relax. After that you can just do another pranayam we call honeybee sound, or Ramri Pranayama. So in the Ramri Pranayama, again you can just sit comfortable. Again the same, spine is straight and erect, and then you close your ears with your thumb. So when you're closing thumb, so you can just only hear your voice, not the other outer voice is come in your ears and disturb you. So you can just press it and close the ears, and then you cover the eyeball. You're not pressing the eyes. Just remember, you're not pressing the eyeball, just you covering the eye. Then you can feel it, the eyes is completely darkness, not a colorful. So you can just close the eyes, and then you check according, if you're taking the hands up or you feel any discomfort in this way, you can relax the shoulders down. So according to your body, you just find your body comfort, and then you start the humming. So breathe in, and exhalation time you produce a one honeybee sound from the throat. So inhale. Then you slowly, gently come down. Just feel your breath. Just relax. For a couple of minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, you can just be quiet and just absorb your breath. You feel that sound in your face or in your mind, and then you relax it. Then you softly open the eyes and just relax. In this way, you can increase. I show only the 2 times according to your time. You can just increase like a 1 minute, 2 minute. You just do this Brahmari Pranayam. That will be a very helpful to reduce your arthritis problem, because sometimes arthritis is related to our stress. So when we do this calming honeybee sound, so we can decrease our stress level, and will decrease that inflammation or that arthritis problem in our body. So this is the small video, and I hope you will enjoy, or you will share this, or you will apply this all the yoga posture, the simple movement in your practice. So namaste and hari om. Stay tuned with your new video. Namaste.